cryptocurrency. You might not know what those things are. I hope by now you know what cryptocurrency is. So actually, why don't we kind of just get a few examples. What have you guys covered so far in Samson's week and a half here?
Blockchain and
cryptocurrency.
Cryptocurrency. What have you learned? Give me a few examples.
Bitcoin.
Okay.
Cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies are a belief system.
Does Samson believe in them?
Yes.
Okay. So cryptocurrency you heard before. Have you ever heard of NeuroMarketing? No. Anybody? Okay.
Pretty sure you just made that term up.
No, it's about 20 years old. I did not just make that term up. But marketing is a very old term itself. Neuro just means brain. And about 20 years ago or so, they started going from advertising, trying to target people and, I don't want to use the word manipulate, but I will, manipulate people to buy products, to using neuroscience techniques to get even better at understanding what people want, what people believe, what they react to, and how you can sell products better. So neuromarketing was born from that. And I'm going to go over neuromarketing and cryptocurrency, which I don't think a lot of people have really wedded together, but as Samson said about 2 weeks ago, we were at a class he made me take before I was allowed to talk here on Libra. I started realizing some of what they want to do underneath the crypto surface seems to me to be a little neuronal-like, and I think that these two worlds are going to wed together in a way that in the next 10 years will become one of the most powerful things we've ever seen, for good, for bad, or for other. That's probably up to you, because I don't know if it'll last another 10 years. But we're going to go through a little introduction to myself and my background so you know where I'm coming from and what I'm talking about. We're going to talk about neuromarketing. We're going to talk about cognitive bias. We're going to talk very briefly about blockchain, because you've already had all that. Cryptocurrency, and I flip things. I'm a little weird. I don't do crypto. I like blockchain for what it can do for science. So for me, it's about blockchain and healthcare. Crypto is an advanced topic like calculus. Samson understands it. I'm not going to go that deep into it, but you've already had some exposure to it. We're going to use it as a tool in what we're going to talk about after that. And so we're going to bring it all together, and I'm going to talk about what I call micro incentives and global brains. And then we're going to discuss a little bit of where all this is going. Because like I said, this is brand new. This is something I've been working on only for about 2 weeks, and really part of it I just created this morning. You're the first people in the world to see it. It might make sense, it might not. So you might be the last people in the world to see it. So I have a background as a neuroscientist. I was a researcher and then a federal research administrator for the Department of Defense, traumatic brain injury, post-traumatic stress disorder, that sort of thing. Oversaw a large research network and has a lot of good going on, had a lot of challenges going on. I learned about cryptocurrency and blockchain almost 3 years ago now, and I decided that that could fix a lot of things, but it was going to take some work. So I moved outside of the DoD, and now I have a small company, and I work with a nonprofit called Blockchain Healthcare Global. I do a lot of speaking and writing, some journal stuff, some books and things like that I'm getting working on. It's to try and spread the word, because I don't think in science they really understand what this technology is, so they're not using it a lot yet. So that still is to come, but people who are using it are finance people or the people who are in different fields, and it's starting to advance very quickly, as I'm sure you've gone over. But stepping back to neuromarketing. So neuromarketing is really just the use of neuroscience tools to better understand what people want, and then use that to apply to marketing, ads, way things